All right, we just wrapped up another one of these 2020 plus adaptive LED conversions for the Subaru STI. And the newer ones are coming with adaptive lighting, which means this projector swivels left and right. And these headlights differ a little bit. On the other ones, it wouldn't have this whole section with that strip. And a lot of people ask us, can we add the strip onto the older style headlights? The answer is no. We're basically blacking out the turn signal reflector, adding in a Diode Dynamics strip to match up to the Diode Dynamics STI C-Light. And again, that C-Light's not really made for this model, but it does fit in under that diffuser perfectly. We got the housings painted a semi-flat black. And this is going on a STI Type RA. It's got the gold wheels. Customer wanted to do something special with the accent, so we painted that tip of the shroud a gold that we found that matched the best. We've actually masked off this chrome area here so that way you don't get the projector lens burn. It's even more probable on a clear lens projector, so took the extra initiative to make sure that doesn't happen. Amber's been painted, and that's the Morimoto MLED that fits in here. You can find those brackets on our website. It's a little bit of a challenge to get it set up, but we can help you out. And we'll turn on the Diode Dynamics C-Lights and the strip. Those are wired together. They could be wired separately if you want. They have individual drivers, so it's all how you see it, but this looks really good once it's mounted on the car. Those inner strips, which kind of look like they're cut off, but they're just broken up with the housing design, sort of light up the center, and then you got the C-Light. It's a little bit more of a grander effect and a little bit broader because it's under a diffuser. It's kind of like encompassing that strip, so it's really cool. Those are switchback. Again, the C-Lights can be independent of the strips and vice versa, and those turn on with the turn signal, which is not currently activating, but it can be disabled if you'd like as well. So let us know what you think. Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your feedback, and if you want help setting this up on your own vehicle or you want to send your lights in, we can definitely help you with that too. So we look forward to hearing from you.